Welcome back to Systematic Pro Trading Desk. In the first video, I explained what this channel is about: systematic and automated trading, real executions, and honest performance tracking over time. In this video, I want to show you how the desk actually works in practice, what we trade, how execution is handled, how risk is controlled, and how performance is tracked. The goal here isn't to sell strategies or signals. It's to show the structure and the process behind running multiple trading systems in a disciplined, repeatable way. At a high level, the desk trades liquid futures markets, primarily equity indices. Instead of relying on a single strategy, the desk runs multiple trading systems in parallel. Each system has a defined logic, a defined risk model, and a defined role in the overall portfolio. Some systems are designed to capture short-term moves. Others are designed to hold positions longer. Some are more selective. Others trade more frequently. The idea is diversification across styles and behaviors. Not trying to find one perfect strategy. The important point is this: decisions are not made based on opinions, predictions, or headlines. Trades come from predefined systems, and those systems are evaluated based on performance over a meaningful sample size. Execution at the desk is primarily automated. That means when a system generates a valid signal, orders are placed according to predefined rules. This removes a lot of the emotional and discretionary mistakes that traders tend to make, like hesitating, chasing entries, or interfering with trades because of fear or greed. That doesn't mean there's no human oversight. The desk still monitors execution, checks for errors, and makes sure everything is behaving as expected. But the decision-making logic comes from the systems, not from impulses in the moment. From a channel perspective, this also means you'll see a very consistent approach to trading. The goal is not to be clever day by day. The goal is to execute the plan, collect the data, and review the results. Risk management is the core of everything here. Each system has a defined risk per trade, a defined stop logic, and a defined role in the overall risk of the desk. On top of that, the desk operates with account-level risk limits. That includes things like daily loss limits and overall drawdown controls. The objective is simple: stay in the game long enough for the edge of the systems to play out. No single trade matters. No single day matters. What matters is controlling downside and letting the statistics work over time. You'll hear me repeat this a lot on this channel. Survival and consistency come before profits. Without risk control, even good systems eventually fail. Everything the desk does is measured. Performance is tracked across systems and at the portfolio level. That includes metrics like win rate, average win versus average loss, drawdown, expectancy, and overall return over time. There are regular reviews, short-term reviews to check execution quality, weekly reviews to see what's working and what isn't, monthly reviews to evaluate system performance and portfolio behavior. Decisions are made based on data, not on feelings. If a system underperforms over a statistically meaningful period, it gets reviewed. If something works, it stays in the rotation. The process is deliberately boring, and that's a good thing. On this channel, you'll see three main types of content. First, desk reports. These cover what the systems did, what executed, and what the results were. Second, performance reviews. Weekly and monthly reviews where we look at the numbers, not just the PL, and talk about what's actually happening under the hood. Third, system and process breakdowns. These explain how the desk operates, how decisions are made, and how risk and performance are managed over time. You'll see good periods and bad periods. Both are part of trading. The point of this channel is to show the reality of running trading systems in live market conditions, not a highlight reel. If you're interested in systematic trading, automation, and evidence-based performance analysis, consider subscribing and following the desk over time. This is Systematic Pro Trading Desk, where trading systems meet real market results.